What's going on, guys? Charlie Watson here with Beechmont Ford Performance. Today we're going to show you our very last build of 2019. But before we dive into the specifics of the build behind me, we want to take a second to say thank you so much to all of our supporters and customers from coast to coast. We've had the opportunity to build Mustangs from Florida, Georgia, Texas, and all the way as far as Las Vegas, and we appreciate everyone's business and support very much. So before we dive into this truck, let's take a look at some awesome moments from 2019. So let's dive into the very last truck built for 2019 at Beechmont Ford Performance. Like always, we're going to start with the truck itself. We used one of our most popular combinations, which is a 101A regular cab XL Sport. And the reason that this configuration is so popular is because it takes away chrome and black textured plastic and replaces that with painted plastic, which brings me to my first point on the entire build. It's a very small detail, but it makes a huge difference. We took the black textured plastic mirrors and door handles off and replaced those with the painted versions from one of the premium models. So it just makes the whole truck look a ton more finished and makes it look like a higher end vehicle. Before we dove into the power, we had to make sure the truck had the perfect look, and we got the painted bumpers and the painted accessories, and then we went to stance. We used a Belltech Lowering Kit both front and back, and it made the truck sit just right. Before we go under the hood, we have to stop here at the STX Sport Grille. Definitely one of our most popular items, and it makes the truck look great. Under the hood, we went with a Whipple Stage 2 Supercharger, which makes right at 775 horsepower at the crank. And as of right now, this truck has a stock exhaust, so you can really hear the induction noise. Well, it seems like these projects are never done, but for now, this one is finished and is heading to its new home here in the next couple days. So again, thank you so much for everyone that stopped in to watch and has supported us all of 2019. We hope everyone has a happy new year. And of course, if you'd like more information on a truck like this or would like to start a build of your own, feel free to call us anytime or visit us online at beechmontford.com.